observation deck is by far my most favorite. It's very modern, give the 360-degree view, and especially the views of Empire State. It's just stunning. The way it is created, giving an infinity room coverage is just mind-blowing. I think I haven't seen anything like this.
It was great to hear Kenzo, the artist, describe his goals for a space like this, kind of how it makes you think about your relationship to the city and to yourself in new ways. So, any opportunity to do that is welcome. After the pandemic, where you want to be as far away from people as possible, this is bringing people together in a safe way, and I think it's kind of a microcosm of the city as a whole. This doesn't belong to any one person. We all share it. We all have to find ways to get along, and if this in an artistic way can help you think about that, it's great.